Hello everyone. As we reach the conclusion of our course, let's take a moment to reflect on our journey together. It's been an incredible experience, full of learning, growth, and shared insights. Today, we'll recap the key takeaways from our time together and look ahead to how we can continue our development in the art of time management. Let's take this final leap together. Recapping our journey. Understanding time management. We started by defining time management and recognizing its crucial role in balancing work and life. Remember, it's not just about being busy, it's about being effective, assessing and setting goals. We learned the importance of self-assessment and setting SMART goals. These are the foundation stones upon which effective time management is built. Prioritization techniques. From the Eisenhower Box to the Pareto principle, we explored how prioritizing tasks effectively can lead to greater productivity and less stress. Planning strategies. We delved into daily, weekly, and monthly planning techniques. Remember, a plan is your roadmap. Without it, you're just wandering. Tools for success. We discovered various digital tools and traditional methods to help manage time more efficiently. Find the tools that work best for you and make them part of your routine. Achieving work-life balance. We tackled the ever-important topic of work-life balance, learning how to set boundaries, and the importance of flexibility and adaptability. Managing stress and avoiding burnout. Breaks, leisure activities, and mindfulness practices were highlighted as key strategies for keeping stress at bay and preventing burnout. Tackling procrastination and distractions. We faced the common challenges of procrastination and distractions head-on, learning practical strategies to overcome them. Learning from others. Through case studies and success stories, we saw how these principles work in real-life scenarios, giving us models to emulate. Continuing the journey. Lifelong learning. Remember, time management is a lifelong skill. There's always room for improvement, so keep learning and adapting. Reflect and adjust. Regularly take time to reflect on your time management practices and make adjustments as needed. Stay curious and open to new strategies. The world of time management is always evolving. Stay open to new ideas and techniques that might work for you. As we wrap up this course, I want to commend each of you for your commitment and enthusiasm. You've taken significant steps in mastering time management, but remember, the journey doesn't end here. Take these lessons, apply them, and continue to refine your skills. Keep exploring, keep growing, and most importantly, keep making the most of your time. You have the tools and knowledge. Now it's up to you to put them into action. Here's to a future where you are in control of your time, not the other way around. Let's keep moving forward, one focused step at a time.